Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Aquaforte is a picturesque village located on the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. It is situated along the southern shore of Newfoundland, overlooking the waters of Aquaforte Harbor. It's about 75 kilometers south of St. John's, the capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador. The name, Aquaforte, is of Portuguese origin, meaning strong water. The village has a rich history dating back to the 17th century when it was established as a fishing and trading settlement by European settlers. Aquaforte was once an important hub for the fishing industry in the region. Today, Aquaforte is known for its scenic beauty and historic charm. The rugged coastline, rocky cliffs, and panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean make it a popular destination for tourists and outdoor enthusiasts. The village is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including lush forests and pristine waterways. Aquaforte boasts a rich cultural heritage, with several historic buildings and landmarks dotting the landscape. The village is home to beautifully preserved examples of traditional Newfoundland architecture, including colorful wooden houses and historic fishing stages. Visitors to Aquaforte can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, birdwatching, and kayaking. The East Coast Trail, a popular hiking trail that stretches along the eastern coastline of Newfoundland, passes through Aquaforte, offering stunning views of the surrounding wilderness and coastline. Overall, Aquaforte is a charming coastal village that offers visitors a glimpse into Newfoundland's rich maritime history and natural beauty.
watching.